The meeting was on having a discussion with our landlords for the right of way. Okay, so there were two groups. We called each group at a time and we discussed with them. And till today, RVNL has not handed over any plan to us so that we can discuss it with our people. So now they have, RVNL people have promised us that they are going to give us a plan within 15 to 20 days, and we are hoping once the plan comes to us, whatever best way we can solve the problem. Whatever, if the people are ready, not ready, that is, I don't know. It is upon people whether they want something, they don't want. Once I have the plan, then I'll call a meeting again and discuss it with the people.
युनायटेड आमची सगळं गांवभाव आनी भयण्यो एकठांय रावन एक डिमांड केला. अंडरलायनींग तुका हांव सांगता कितें आहा तें. तेणी इलिगली डंप केला आमचे रायट ऑफ वे. ही लेटर आमकां RVNL पंचायता बरोवन टू फॅसिलिटेट अ मिटींग विथ द विलेजीस. आनी आयज पंचायतान स्टँड केलो आनी सगळ्या लोकांक आपयले. आनी तोच डिमांड एक मेन आहा की तो यू स्टे ऑफ आवर रायट ऑफ वे. अंडरलायनींग ते सांगता की द रेल्वेज मस्ट स्टे ऑफ आवर रायट ऑफ वे. इलिगली डंप करून गोंयचे पुलिसांन आमचे ते आमकां सुरक्षा दिवपाक लागते त्या पुलिसांन तेणी प्रोटेक्शन घेवन ते इलिगली डंप केल्ले. मॅटर सबज्युडीस आहा. ISLR इज येट टू डिसायड. आनी 28 तारखेर फेब्रुवारीचे ते 3:30 वरांची मिटींग आहा. सो इतले आसतना तेणी जबरदस्ती करून ही माती ढांप केली आनी ढांपी केली म्हूण खंय लोकांचे घरां मुखार सारकी लोकांची मोटरां भितर भायर सरो येना.
My name is Christina and I stay in Premier Vado over there, and my house is landlocked. The railways have done their nuisance by putting the land filling, which is almost half the meter or even more than that. Our car is blocked inside the house. We are not able to come out of our houses. So it is like they are doing it illegally. It is not their right. It is not their land also. It is our land. It is our right of way which they are taking it. And it is like they are not supposed to be doing that.
वाट सायड म्हणून कित्याक आमकां वाट तेमी आमची वाट ब्लॉक केल्या आनी ती हायट हाडल्या की लोकांनी भितर दिवंक वचों मेळना. लोकांक भितर वचों मेळना. तेंच्या घरांत तेजी गाडी भितर आहाय. इतली हायट सारकी दुर्गाची वयर चडल्या आनी आमकां वयर थिंगा चलूंक जायना. आमी स्टेप्स तेका बांदलो तेचे मून गायले. सो आमकां रेल्वे ट्रॅक क्रॉसूच करूंक जायना आतां.
We convened the meeting in three different groups because they represent three different types of issue. And the main point that they brought out was that they don't even know what is happening. This was in complete violation of the railway code, the railway engineering code, which requires the railways to discuss with the local administration as to what are their plans. They have not discussed.
लोकांची कितें मागण्यो अशें जेन्ना
Main thing is drainage they want, and right of way which was there, they want the right of way.
Till the time work will continue or no? Any assurance?
We have told RVNL to stop the work, and we have asked them whether they have any title documents with them also. And since it is in the court, I think they should stop for some time till the decision is taken by the court.
लोकांच्या घरांनी माती घातलेली आहा तेचेर तुमी काडपाक बी लायला अशें कितें
आम सांगला तांकां काड म्हूण. सो ह्या काटाय कानाय we have told them because people are landlocked inside their houses. They cannot walk out. Something happens, house catches fire. What are people supposed to do? All this planning they should have done before putting the mud or even starting the project, which has not been done by RVNL or South Western Railway. They have just done the work. It is not the right way to work where the people are staying.